Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to speed up or slow down YouTube videos. At first, search for your favorite video in the search bar. Click on the video. Click anywhere on the video to display the playback controls. Click the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the video player. Click on Playback Speed from the menu. Currently, the video is playing in the normal speed. You can choose your desired speed from the available options. If you select 0.25, video plays very slowly. If you select 2, video plays very fast. You can switch back to normal if you want to watch the video in normal speed. This is how you can speed up or slow down YouTube videos. Thank you for watching.